Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 20th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested, the 4 Stars Sudoku number 6784. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Okay, so let's get started. I see here we have 4 ones here, so let me start with the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, yeah, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see a 1, this one, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. 7, yeah, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. So 5 and a 6. Need a 5 and a 6 here. Interesting. Alright. Need a 3 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 9. And I need... Well, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. 2, 2, 2. 7. 7. Alright. 7. Well, 5 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers, no, not in the last column, in this column. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 9 here. And need a 6 here. 4, 9, 6. 4, 9, 6. 3 and 5. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the third row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the, oh, yeah. The row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5. Let me mark those. 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, okay. Need to wait for the 5, okay. How about the 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, here, 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 2 here. And I need 2. 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this row, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there, so 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6, 6, 6, okay. How about 4, 9, and need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay, so we need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes. Alright, need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 7 here. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. And need a 3 there. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 9, 6. 4, 9, 6. No. 1, 1, okay. 4, 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. The 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in the second column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. 2, need a 2 here, need a 7 here. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So on the row above, only place level the 7 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 place level the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. We have a 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 place level the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second column, no 7 there, so the only place level the 7 should be at there. 2, 2. Alright, 4 and a 9. How about, the 2 and the 3. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2, 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 place level the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. Third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. And need a 2 here. Okay. 4 and the 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, so we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place level the 4 should be here. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright. Need a 4 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Then how about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 3 in this third row, 3 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing, 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then one box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes again. Another 15 minutes puzzle. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. Not faster than 20 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, so I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.